How did you like the app?
It was really interactive. We had a lot of fun playing it, and it's like learning experience also.
Yeah, new technology.
Yes, new technology. It was way funner than the other apps also.
The app was really good. I really enjoyed playing the game. It was like, and the quiz also, even though we had no idea what we were doing, but like we knew the answers. So like, I really liked the app.
Perfect. So how did you like the app? Quickly,
It
part.
was a lot of fun.
Okay. Lot of fun. Anything else that you would like
It
to
was
add?
quite interactive.
Interactive. Did you learn something valuable?
Yeah.
Honestly, it was really cool when I could actually place things in the real world. Honestly, it was really fun and I was able to learn from it.
It was lovely using the app, and you get practical experience to a certain level. It was really nice.
The app was fun to learn from, like the hard topics which we learned in school from the textbook. It was easier learning it from the app. Like I tried the sound experiment, and it was much easier understanding about the vibration.
In the camera, how did you like the app?
It was nice.
It was nice. Yeah. Rela?
Good.